Today I'm going to talk a bit about debug function. First, let's talk about breakpoints. You see the red dot here. It indicates my current breakpoints. Click on it and I disable it. And just find some dots and some in my design around to click to enable the breakpoints. I'll set two breakpoints here. So select the breakpoint section here. They are my current breakpoints here and there. And sh it is a function that this function will count as a breakpoints too. So next, let's start the debugs. I can click on this triangle button or just click F5. Here it will run for a bit, and here we are. We are in our typical debug process. Here I'm currently at the input line, so I input something like 1, 2, 3. There, it stopped at this breakpoint. This is my current line, hasn't run the program yet. If I click continue, it will run to my next breakpoint, and it's there. I click continue again, and it will run, and the debug section is over. I'll debug again one more time. Click line 4, 5. So it's similar to last time. So now we will talk a bit about those functions. First one, this is step over. If I click step over, my current line is a function there. So I click step over, it will just run single line and skip everything there to my next line. Not necessarily a breakpoint, just next line. Like this is not a breakpoint, but it was just stop there. Okay, continue again and over. Debug again. Input something like 6, 7. There. This is step into. For step into, like step over, I won't just run the function there. I won't skip it. If I click step over, it will just debug the function line by line like this, this. Yes, it's similar to step over. Just execute one line, but instead of skipping the contents of the function, it will run line by line in the function too. So if I want to, I'm sure about the function, I don't think there are any bugs in it. I'll just click step over to skip it. But if I'm unsure about it, I want to inspect it carefully. I will choose step into to inspect the function line by line. There, I'll start again. 6, 7. There, step into function. It is in the function there. Yeah. But you see, it's 6, 7. And for loop there, I think it will run 67 times. It's kind of long, and I don't think there are any problem in this function, so I will choose step out. It will run the remaining functions rapidly like this. It will skip it to this one. It is not like step over because it won't execute its line. It will execute every step left to up to the return point, up until it returns to the function call it. So two three regular step function we have. So this is restart. Uh, Click restart will terminate the current debug process and start over again a different debug with the same setting like this. Yeah, we are in the input step again. 561 enter, and here it start once again. But if we click stop, it will terminate without adding any debug session. Click. Also, then we'll see those part here is where we observe the states of the code like this. Variable we can observe states of all the variables there, like input 45. There we have two variables, n equal 45 and sum equals 0, because we haven't uh, any value to it yet, so it stays 0. And next we have watch section. This observing as well. We can observe the state of the variables or the expression we want. For example, click on the plus button and you see there and 45 and we have and 45, but we won't just be able to add variables. We can add expression like n divided by 8 is an integral division, so we have 45 by 8 is kind of 5.5 something, but it becomes integer, so it is 5 and plus n minus 9. So 45 minus 9 is 36, so that we can observe many things there. Or some multiplied by 3, 0 times 3 is 0. So that is quad section. Here, remove on expression. If you click it, we will delete on expression we added there, like that. And as of n plus 5. But if we add an f variables, kind of right click on it and can edit like this. Minus 5, something like that. And can set value 45, can turn to 34, and we change value there, we can only set values there for variables though, but we can do that there as well. We can set value, copy as expression, or we can add to what? Quick add in. Yeah, that's it. That's the one section. Up next we have call stack. In call stack, we can see our current location in the code. For example, we are currently in main line 17, round first row. That's our current location there. If I click step into, we are in the function. So here it is. We are in the function sh in route 4 column 1, step 2 like that, turn to route 6 column 1 and still in the main function, route 17 column 1. That's about call stack. It gives us information about our current location. And that's it. That's basic knowledge about debugging. Yeah, thank you.